What's going on, guys? Cameron here with GrassMaster Lawn Service right here in Poplar Bluff, Missouri. Hey, we got the Gravely Mach One mower to try out today. So B&W Lawnmower Repair Sales let us demo this mower for the day. We're going to try it out here on one of our accounts, lay some stripes, let's see how it does. Alright guys, what do you think of the Gravely Mach One? Let's check out the lawn, see how well it cut. Looks pretty nice. Already had the stripes laid, but the Gravely Mach One went ahead and redefined all these stripes, making it look nice and crisp. Check it out. So guys, I'm Cameron with GrassMaster Lawn Service right here in Poplar Bluff, Missouri. If you're looking for a Gravely mower, if you're looking for a Ferris mower, go check out the guys at B&W Lawnmower Repair Sales. They'll help you out. They'll get you what you need. If you're looking for a Gravely, maybe a Ferris. I run the Ferris Z3X, been super pleased with it. But anyways, if you guys need a mower, go check out B&W Lawnmower Repair and Sales. If you need your lawn mowed, give me a call at GrassMaster Lawn Service. Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. Have a blessed day, and as always, God provides.